Hariom, my dear obedient students. Education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world. So we must be educated. Today, I am in front of you having the second part of the lesson Tsunami. Please note some complex words to improve your vocabulary. Penny means cash or money. Second, hysterical means laugh or cry in a wild, excited way. Third, refuge means shelter or protection. Fourth, surge means force or attack. Fifth, withstood means ended without collapsing. Now, my dear hardworking students, don't be depressed. Relax, please. Attention to our concerning paragraph. Tilly Smith. Tilly Smith was also a fighter against the wave. Now, here is a story from Thailand. The Smith family from southeast England were celebrating Christmas at a beach resort in southern Thailand. Tilly Smith was a 10-year-old schoolgirl. Her sister was 7 years old. Their parents were Penny and Colin Smith. It was 26 December 2004. Deadly tsunami waves were already on their way. They had been triggered by a massive earthquake of northern Sumatra earlier that morning. The water was swelling and kept coming in. Penny Smith remembered the beach was getting smaller and smaller. I didn't know what was happening, but Tilly Smith sensed that something was wrong. Her mind kept going back to geography lessons she had taken in England just 2 weeks before she flew out to Thailand with her family. Tilly saw the sea slowly rise and start to form bubbles and from whirlpools. She remembered that she had seen this in class in a video of a tsunami that had hit the Hawaiian Islands in 1946. Her geography teacher had shown her class the video and told them that tsunamis can be caused by earthquakes, volcanoes, and landslides. Tilly started to scream at her family to get off the beach. She talked about an earthquake under the sea. She got more and more hysterical, said her mother, Penny. I didn't know what a tsunami was, but seeing my daughter so frightened, I thought something serious must be going on. Tilly's parents took her and her sister away from the beach to the swimming pool at the hotel. A number of other tourists also left the beach with them. Then it was as if the entire sea had come out after them. I was screaming, run! The family took refuge in the third floor of the hotel. The building withstood the surge of 3 tsunami waves. If they had stayed on the beach, they would not have been alive. The Smiths later met other tourists who had lost entire families. Thanks to Tilly and her geography lesson, they had been forewarned. Tilly went back to her school in England and told her classmates her terrifying tale. My dear students, collect yourself. What we have studied in this part is indeed inspiring. Tilly Smith, a British schoolgirl was able to save many lives when the tsunami struck Phuket beach in Thailand, as she had seen the sea behaving in the same way in a video in her class of tsunami that had hit the Hawaiian Islands in 1946. She had won a number of awards. The tourists thanked Tilly and her geography lesson that had warned her. Now some assignment for solving to improve yourself. Number 1. Who had shown Tilly a video? Second, why did a number of tourists left the beach? Third question, where did the family take refuge? Fourth one is, why did the Tilly's family come to Thailand? Fifth and last one is, who went back to the school in England? Now today's digital class has been offered. My dear students, prevention is better than cure. Be healthy, stay home. See you again. Goodbye.